Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how you can customize your app icons on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max. Now first of all, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen, then tap on Edit. Now from this menu, just select Customize. Now as you can see, this is your default app icon style. Now to customize your app icon style, you have a few options. First of all, you have the option of dark. And by selecting dark, you will enable the dark mode style of the app icons. And also you have the option of always and auto. Now, if you select always, you will set the dark theme on the app icons all the time. But if you select auto, it will enable the dark theme only when you enable dark mode on your iPhone. After that, you have the option of clear. And in clear, you will enable the liquid glass effect on the app icons. And from here, you have three options. By default, it is on light. And in light, it will give you the light mode effect of the liquid glass app icons. But if you select dark, it will enable the dark mode of the liquid glass app icons. And finally, you have the option of auto. And in auto, it will enable the dark style of the app icons when you enable dark mode. Otherwise, it will be on light mode. And finally, you have the option of tinted. And in tinted, you can select a color from the gradient over here. And also you can increase or decrease the saturation of the color from the slider over here. Now if you tap on the eyedropper icon, you can select a color from the background, just like that. And if you select the gallery icon, it will automatically select a color from the background. And over here, you also have the option of light. And in light, it will give you the light mode effect of the app icons. And in dark, it will show the dark mode style of the tinted app icons. Now finally, you can hide the app names by tapping on this icon. Now to save the changes, just tap on the screen over here and you will save the changes. And this is how you can customize the app icon style on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.